press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. And in today's Masterclass, I'm going to show you an easy 5-minute tutorial to get this fresh face makeup for a video call. So let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. So that was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about this look in the comment section below. Also, because you love our content so much, we have a surprise for you. Don't forget to join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get 150 rupees off on all MyGlamm products. And the link is in the description box below. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.